Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error can't open files Windows 11. You will enter Internet in the search box. Open Internet options. In the window, go to Security. Select Internet and click on Custom Level. Now locate the options Run launching applications and unsafe files and launching programs and files in an iframe. Leave the option Prompt. Apply the changes. Then in Local Intranet, click on Sites and uncheck all the boxes. Apply the changes. With Local Intranet selected, click on Custom Level and leave the option Prompt in the options Launching applications and unsafe files and launching programs and files in an iframe. After this, select Trusted Sites and click on Custom Level. Confirm that it is Prompt in launching applications and unsafe files and launching programs and files in an iframe. Apply the changes. Click Yes. Finally, in Restricted Sites, click on Custom Level. Again, check that launching applications and unsafe files and launching programs and files in an iframe are in Prompt. Click Yes to confirm. You can close the windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.